Scientists need thinking minds to ask and answer questions, and they must have listening ears to listen to instructions. Scientists need safe bodies so they can all work safely, and they need to have keen eyes for watching very closely. What else do all scientists need for their investigations? Well, they need inquiring mouths for questions and discussions. Scientists need caring hearts to treat each other kindly, and they all need helping hands to clean and make things tidy.